Courses.gg may just be the most student-friendly and course content creator-friendly course platform ever to hit the market, especially if you're tired of losing student engagement in Facebook groups or paying $149 a month for a course platform that still makes you duct tape the entire student experience together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a distraction-free learning community that actually supports your students and scales your business without the high monthly costs of platforms like Skool, Kajabi, or GoHighLevel, and other platforms. Oh, and there's one hidden feature in this new platform that most creators miss, but it's the secret to keep your students coming back. So stick around because I'm going to show you how that works in just a moment. Hi, I'm Amanda Vanderkulik from Cleverdo.com, and after 15 years of building evergreen income systems from YouTube and digital courses, even while I was in a coma, I've learned what it takes to create a platform that supports your students and your freedom without bouncing to Facebook. I have many of my courses running on GrooveFunnels, and it's a great backend for my business. But for my students, it didn't have a built-in place where they could communicate, where they could interact with me and other students and leave their feedback and ask their questions and make connections. So I created a private Facebook group, and that's where things got really messy. Important updates got buried under cat videos, political rants, or birthday notifications, not to mention all the other distractions your students face on there when you're using a Facebook group. My students would miss lessons, miss my notifications, not submit their assignments, and I kind of felt invisible in my own program. If you've ever felt like your community was scattered across all kinds of tools, or your students just aren't engaged, you're going to love what's coming. And I've put together a special bundle for you, free on me, of tools and training to help you launch and grow your course on this platform. But I'll share more about that in just a minute. However, if you want a sneak peek, go ahead and write growth in the comments below, and I'll send you the details. Okay, let's talk about what Coursesgg actually gives you and why it's so different from Skool and Kajabi and GoHighLevel and all the other course platforms. First, you get unlimited communities. So you can run multiple programs, mastermind support spaces without paying any more. This gives you the freedom to expand without limit. You also get unlimited courses. So your students get everything in one place and you get to scale without restrictions and extra fees. But this is really, really cool and something that most of the other course platforms don't even offer. You get a built-in affiliate program, so your happiest students can promote your course for you and spread the word. That's more reach with less effort. You also get custom domain support, which means your brand gets to stay front and center. No confusing URLs, just clean, professional branding. And get this, you have Stripe and PayPal integration, which means you get paid directly, instantly, and you get to keep more of the revenue. Oh, and it's got gamification and progress tracking, so your students feel motivated to move forward, celebrate win, and actually finish your course. You get a clean, distraction-free interface, so your content shines and your students stay focused. No extra Facebook groups, no clunky student portals, and no monthly fees. If you're quick, let me explain. Right now, you can get the lifetime access to Coursesgg for a one-time investment of just $297. That's it. But depending on when you see this video, that may already be gone because the price is set to increase to first $397 for the lifetime deal and then $497 for the lifetime deal. And after that, it's going to raise to $497 annually, which is still thousands of dollars cheaper than the other course platforms. So it's still a good deal. Even at the annual, it's still the most affordable, high-value platform that you'll find anywhere. But if the lifetime deal is still showing, grab it. It's a rare chance to lock in unlimited access for life of your course and programs. Hey, what platform are you actually using right now? Or have you even started? Let me know in the comment. I would love to know what platform you're using, or if you're just getting started. And then tell me what your biggest frustration is with it, or what you like best about it. Just drop a comment. I read everyone. Okay, let me give you a real example of what this kind of integrated experience can be like from the student side. So one of my students, Christine Hebel, runs a grant writing course at freemoneyu.com, and she uses currently GoHighLevel for her course platform and to power her student portal. As a student of hers inside the program, I noticed something right away. Everything was in one place. Lessons, events, a discussion forum, even the replays. But what made the big difference? When she posted updates or new announcements, I actually saw them. They weren't just buried in my Facebook feed, and they didn't feel like just another email. And that's when I realized this is what true student-centered learning should feel like. And it's exactly what Coursesgg is doing without needing to move your whole entire business over. You know, that moment reminded me why Evergreen matters so much. You see, back in 2016, I fell into a 3-week coma with about a 20% chance of survival. My family didn't know whether I'd wake up or not. I couldn't move a muscle, but my business didn't stop. Sure, it wasn't making millions, but it was making money consistently on autopilot every single month while I was in a coma and then recovering. One of my YouTube videos, a $20 cake video that I made, kept earning ad revenue. That one video has brought in over $10,000 in ad revenue. But it wasn't just one video. My other videos were still bringing in affiliate commissions, sales to my own products and courses, royalties of my books, all while I was completely offline. I'd accidentally set up an automated 24/7 machine. That's what Evergreen really means. And Coursesgg will give you the tools to build that same kind of system that works for you 24/7, no matter what life throws at you. One that teaches, connects, and even sells for you on autopilot when you're not online. Oh, and remember that one feature I promised to tell you about earlier? Here it is. It's the searchable community built directly into the platform. No distractions, no separate groups, just one space for learning, sharing, and support, which means your courses will be able to be found by other people using the same platform. Pretty cool, right? So if you're nodding along right now and thinking, yes, this is exactly what I need and I've been looking for, here's how to take the next step. Simply head over to cleverdough.com/Coursesgg. I'll put a link on the screen here for you. And I'll also put a link in the description and in the pinned comment below so that it's really easy for you to click on to grab your lifetime account. And again, if you're watching this video later and it's annual, still grab it before the price goes up, because this is going to be the most affordable. Oh, and when you use my link, you're going to unlock the full bundle that I created for you, where you're going to get my 10-day Online Business Kickstart Course to help you go from idea to income step by step. And I'm going to give you access to my 13-day Evergreen YouTube SEO Training, so you can learn the systems that make my videos rank, so yours rank too. And even maybe go viral like mine did on autopilot. Plus, I'm going to give you a 4-part goal setting and achievement series to keep you focused when life gets messy, when it looks like Facebook. And I'm also going to give you a 10-part Launch Like a Pro series to help you launch your course with confidence and without burnout. Just go to cleverdough.com/Coursesgg and then follow the instructions in the description below to see how to access your free bonuses. All right, now that you've claimed your access to the lifetime deal for Coursesgg, head over here because I'm going to walk you through a sneak peek of the Evergreen YouTube marketing system that helped me keep growing my business even while I was asleep in a coma. I'm going to show you how to bring the right leads to your online course using the power of Evergreen YouTube marketing. Hey, you've got the platform now, right? Let's bring in your perfect students. I'll see you over here.